Hi guys. I feel like I haven't gone live in like the longest time ever. So today, since I just posted on Instagram about Batiste dry shampoo, I figured that I would show you guys how to use this because I just went 6 days without washing my hair. Like a whole 6 days. Hi guys, thanks for joining in. Thanks for, hi. Okay, there's lots of new features now. Hi Jocelyn, hi Brittany, hi Stacy, hi Carissa. Say hi, tell me where you guys are from and where you're watching from today. Home, work, the car, carpool, whatever. Okay, so like I said, if you guys are just joining, I am gonna show you guys how to use the Batiste dry shampoo today because it literally is the best dry shampoo in my opinion. Because there's a lot of dry shampoos out there. Some of them are really, really expensive and like high-end brands. And I bought those to test them out for you guys. And I'm always annoyed when I try them. I'm like, that didn't work as good as Batiste. So this is typically around like $6 to $8. So depending on like where you buy it, you can get it for that cheap, which is awesome, right? So anyway, I am going to show you guys how I use it because I literally just went 6 days without washing my hair, which is way longer than I would ever go or even tell you to go. But sometimes life gets crazy and you just can't wash your hair. You just don't want to. Last week was crazy and I was just like, I just cannot do it. If your hair looks amazing and you can get away with it, why not? So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. This is the tropical scent and I like that one a lot, kind of like coconutty. And I like it a lot when we go into the summer too because I use it a lot in the summer when you just don't even want to do it. Oh my gosh, hi guys, I haven't done a live in forever. Are you guys excited? Okay, comment and tell me where you guys are watching from today so I know. Okay, first step. I always brush out my hair because the oil is always at the roots of your hair. So you take a brush and you want to brush all those, as many oils as you can down into the rest of your hair. If you guys are liking anything that I'm saying, double tap the screen so I know that like you guys want me to keep talking about that or anything like that. Okay, guys, this is so fun. I'm so glad you guys are here and you guys are watching this. Okay, so this is a Mason Pearson brush. You guys don't have to have one of these. It's actually a really expensive brush. I got it for a birthday like 3 years ago. It's like handcrafted in Italy. Like it's kind of ridiculous, but a hair nerd like me likes this kind of gift. So basically what you need is something like a boar hair brush like this that will help pull all of that down. So this is yesterday's hair. There's still some wave in it. Enough for it to be like kind of like messy wavy, right? So I'm gonna brush through it and kind of like try to get all those oils that are down at the scalp to go all the way down. You guys see the difference between that side and that side? And after you do the dry shampoo, you can totally still curl it after if you want to, but I'll show you guys so you guys can see how it works. And if you guys have questions while I'm doing this, like for sure ask questions and hopefully I can see them and answer you guys. Okay, so first step is I divide my hair in half. So I go like right about here. If you have really oily hair, you can for sure do your entire head, but I'm gonna start halfway because I feel like it's, easier because my hair, I've trained my hair to not be as oily as it could be. If you have really oily hair, you have to go through like a transition period where you have, like if you can only go 1 day and your hair's like crazy too oily, then you're gonna have to push it to 2 days and do a few different 2 days in a row. And then you're gonna have to push it to 3 days. Typically I wash my hair every 3 days because I like having clean hair. But I also like not doing my hair as much. So it's kind of like an even kill. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this. Make sure you shake it. I'm gonna put it right at the root. You might get a white line. That's okay. Watch me, I'm gonna rub it in so that white goes away. And I'm gonna do that all the way around my hairline, like right there. Okay, fingertips. And I'm just gonna rub it in because you want all of that dry shampoo to soak in any oil that's still left there that didn't get brushed down when you brushed your hair, right? Do you guys use Batiste? Like, am I just showing this just for fun? Like, do you guys already use it and do you already know how to use it? I don't know how many of you guys have actually like used dry shampoo. Okay, so that's done. Now, the next part I'm going to do is going to do sections, okay? So, let's see the best way to do this, to show this to you guys. I'm gonna do this, hold on guys. I'm putting the rubber band on the back side of my hair. Can you guys see that? Okay, so I'm gonna go left to right because that's just easier. You can use a comb if you want to, but I usually just use my fingers because I get like kind of in a hurry. And I'm just gonna do, maybe I should show you with a comb. So I'm just gonna do, see how I have lines? Line, 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 line. I'm gonna go all the way up. See what questions I'm getting. So someone just said that they've tried all different kinds of dry shampoo and they feel like their hair feels dirty after. Your hair is going to feel more dry when you use a dry shampoo. Before I found a dry shampoo, like in college, I would actually use baby powder, which worked really, really good actually. And it was cheap at the dollar store. So if you're a starving student, you might want to do that instead. Even though the Batiste is like $6 to $8, it's still cheaper. Anyway, I used to use that. Your hair is gonna your hair will soak it up during the day too, if you're oily. So I would just say, like, if you feel that way, just know dry shampoo is not like a fix for never having to wash your hair. I personally feel, you guys see how that's white? Yeah. I kind of feel like dry shampoo is made to help you get through the days when you just don't have time to wash your hair, which is like what happens all the time, right? So that's why what I use dry shampoo for. You guys might not use dry shampoo for that reason, but I feel like that's the best way to use it because my hair doesn't feel like soft and amazing or whatever when I'm using dry shampoo, but it looks amazing. And I think that's the key of why I use dry shampoo, to help you look amazing when you don't have time to get to wash it and dry it and style it and all that stuff, right? Okay, I think I had some more questions. Let me look and see. A lot of you guys are saying you love Batiste too. Okay, someone said that they use it, I don't know her first name, but she said that she uses it at night. So in the morning, it's like ready to go and all soaked in, and that's a really good idea. Like I said earlier, my hair isn't like as oily as a lot of people's because I kind of push it and I've kind of trained it to go multiple days without having to be washed. That would probably take you like a few weeks to get your hair to do that. But then once you're done, then your hair will be like more conditioned to not going as long, or will be more conditioned to go longer. Does that make sense? Okay, so I had questions about if people can use it with dark hair. You totally can. Batiste also has like a brunette. Some people like the brunette version, some people don't. I would just try it and make sure you don't touch anything. Whether you have regular Batiste or the brunette one, make sure you wash your hands before you touch anything because you've just been rubbing it in your fingers. So if you're wearing black and touch it, you'll probably get little white spots on like a black shirt. Or if you're doing the brunette one, you'll get like brown spots on any of your clothes. So just make sure, like right now, if I wasn't doing a video, I would go wash my hands and be totally fine. Okay, I also like to do the very front because my fronts is where I get the most, I don't know, the most oil. Does that make sense? So I do a light right here. And rub it in. Are you guys like so excited you're watching me do this right now? I really do hope that it'll help though, because sometimes you have to watch someone else do it to be like, oh, I should do it like that, or it should be different. So anyway, okay, someone just said that they had, is it Riddy? She says she has black hair and she uses this and loves it. So, oh, and someone else uses the brunette and they love it. So might as well give it a try. It's like $6 to $8. It's totally worth a try. Okay, do you guys see like how much more volume my hair has? And I feel like I went pretty light because I'm trying to do a video talk with you guys, but pretty light. So that's like my hair today, which actually I could probably get away with. It's just kind of like wavy. And if I really wanted to bring back some curls, spray an extra hairspray in there and kind of scrunch it. Here, I'll just show you guys. This is my favorite hairspray in the entire world. Screenshot it right now. If you guys want to remember, I'll give you guys like 5 seconds. Here you go. Okay, so if you have like curls that you don't have time to curl, like typically you could leave it like this or you could curl it after. It's okay to curl because I didn't even put dry shampoo down here anyway. I would take to some hairspray and I would start giving it some, just like some extra volume, you know, like just a little bit of help, a little bit of scrunching to make it kind of just crazy. So like, that's my hair. Yeah, like it looks like, you can't see any of the white spots. It's still like, it's sucked in, right? Anyway, that's it. If you guys like the tutorial. So today on Instagram, if you head over to my Instagram account right now, you'll see a post with me and like some crazy hair. That post has a direct link to get this for buy one, get one 50% off. Or you can use my link to buy it online if you just want to buy it online. This is like my last bottle, so I have to use it for sure. So you guys can use that to get deals, to get a buy one, get one 50% off deal. So do you guys like this little tutorial? Should I do more of these? Will you guys comment right now and tell me? I will totally do more of these if they help. I'm hoping that they do help. Because like I said, it's easier for me to see someone else do it and be like, oh, that's how I need to do it. Instead of like reading a blog post or reading instructions. Like sometimes you just need to watch somebody do it. And I feel like I've used this for so many years that I kind of figured out the best way for it to work on my hair. Because you don't want to use an entire bottle every time you use it. And I probably get like, I want to say probably like 7 to 10 uses out of a bottle. So I feel like it lasts a really long time. So definitely it's worth $8. But with the deal, you get it for a little bit cheaper. Sometimes Walmart will have it for around $6 or $7 without a sale. So I don't really care where you get it, just go try it. It's worth the money. And it looks like you guys like this. Okay, so we'll do more tutorials like this. All right, so that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.